This agency game, it's a fucking journey, isn't it? Now, I don't know why I've decided to film this video stood up, standing like this, but I've committed at this time to posting a video a day, so we're gonna roll with it. The reason why the agency is such a journey is because you can feel like you're doing the right things. You feel like you're building momentum. You're signing clients. And then one day you can just wake up and it all just comes fucking crumbling down. It's like you're building a friggin' sandcastle on the beach. You take all the time, you gather the sand, you build it up, you make it look beautiful, and then you've got some fucking cunt 5-year-old who is running across the beach, not looking where he's going, and falls into it. And the masterpiece that you've just spent time, effort, and energy building is completely gone. Now, the thing that makes the agency come crashing down can be multiple things. It could be a bad client, a bad team member, just like a generally bad month. Maybe your outreach stops working. Maybe even Zuck decides to give you the dreaded Facebook ban. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter, but it just usually feels like it just kills like 6 months of momentum building. And when it happens, you just sit back and you just think to yourself, why the fuck do I even bother? Now, there is actually a point to this video where I'm going to explain the solution to this, but at that point in time, you should probably look at it as a good thing. Because if something causes a business or the agency to come crashing down, then it usually means that there's something that isn't right foundationally. And when it does come crumbling down, it gives you the opportunity to go out there, start fresh, start again, build the foundations the right way, so that then you protect yourself from a future crumbling. Now, the biggest thing that I've learned that kills most agencies, and what most of us should avoid when we're building the business and signing clients, is this one thing. And as an agency owner, I believe you should take this as your mantra to the friggin' grave. And it's this, it's as an agency, we should scale businesses, not build them. Because I don't know about you, I have taken on countless amounts of clients where they come to me or I prospect them and it's like, yeah, I'll run your Facebook ads, I'll help you with a bit of funnel building, a bit of email, and you pay me a retainer. And then before you fucking know it, you are literally doing every part of the business. You're doing the advertising, the copywriting, the marketing, the funnel building, customer support, you're helping them craft their offer, you're helping them hire individuals, you're coaching them on how to sell. And I'm like, dude, you pay me a crappy 2K per month retainer. You should be giving me fucking equity in the business for the amount of work that I'm doing for you. And most of the time, the clients that you do this with, they don't actually appreciate it. They feel entitled and feel like it is your duty because they paid you money at one time, however small it was. It is now your duty to become a business builder for them. So you should avoid these scenarios. And I know sometimes it can be hard because I've taken on the wrong type of clients where I was building the business and not scaling them. And in the beginning, you're like, I know I probably shouldn't take this client. They're not as far along as they should be, but maybe the business is good, maybe you like them, maybe you see the future potential, so you think, you know what, I'm gonna work with them anyway. But I guarantee most of the times you do this, it is not going to work out. You are going to end up overworking, but getting underpaid. And that one client will take up so much time, effort, and energy, and you could use that time, effort, and energy to go out there and actually scale 4 different clients. But instead, you're stuck trying to build a business from 0 to 5K a month, 10K a month, even 50K a month. But as agencies, especially in the advertising or copywriting space, we should be aiming to only work with businesses who will make money with us, but they will also make money without us. Those are the best clients to have. If your client isn't going to make any money without you, then they shouldn't hire you. Or more accurately, you shouldn't take them as a client. Because taking on too many clients where you are actively having to build the business for them, it will, like I said, make you overworked, underpaid, it will make you miserable, it will make you start hating the business, and then instead of realizing that it's the clients at the issue, you will actually just start blaming the business model. And you will be like, oh, an agency sucks, I fucking hate an agency, I'm gonna go and start an e-com brand or sell information or do something else. When really, if you just fix the problem, which was the clients that you're working with, you would enjoy the business so much more. So that's it, my rant today. And remember, as an agency owner, we scale businesses, not build them. And if you like the video and you like the content, subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, see ya.